Hey guys, hello and welcome to Ayush Institute. Hi, this is Dharti Modi, assistant teacher of Ayush Institute. Today I have come at you with a new interview. Today I have Mr. Harsh Patel. He has come here to give his interview. So let's start his interview. Hello Harsh, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am. Who are you?
I am also fine. Now first tell me something about yourself.
Okay, today I want to give my short introduction. This is Harsh Patel. I am 18 years old. I have passed my SSC board exam from Gujarat board. My papa is a businessman. My mom is a housewife. I know three languages, but I most like English. And to do hard work and reading is my hobby. I want to become a successful engineer in my life, and I am happy by the grace of God. Thank you.
Okay, now second question I want to ask you that I always ask this question to all the students because the goal is a must in everyone's life, you know.
Yes.
That's why I ask this question to all the students that what is your goal and what do you want to become in your life that you have decided that now I want to achieve this.
Okay, after joining in Ayush Institute, I have realized that every one person must have more than two goals in their life. That's why I have set my goals. Because life without goal, like just a bird without wings, sky without sun, and other. And that's why I have set my goals. Actually, my short-term goal is to learn English speaking course, and I think that I have just completed my short-term goal. And my long-term goal is to become a successful engineer in my life because that is my papa's dream and that is my mama's dream. That's why I want to become successful engineer in my life. And according to Mahendra Sun, not work but worry kills a man, and I am sure that I will have achieved my goal by 2025. That's why I will work very hard instead of worrying and prove that nothing is impossible for a determined person.
Okay, nice. So which types of engineer you want to become and which course did you choose for become an engineer?
Actually, I took 11 science in Vivekanand school, and I want to become an IT engineer in my life because
Okay.
in this line I like to work on computer. That's why I choose. I want to become IT engineer.
Okay, nice. Superb. So tell me that how many members are there in your family?
Okay, there are three members in my family: my papa, my mama, and I.
Okay, you are single brother.
Yes.
Yes, you don't have any sister and brother.
No, I don't have any brother and sister.
Okay, nice. So tell me that which person do you like very much in your family?
Okay, actually I like both of my papa and my mama, but I most like my papa in my family because when I was young and I used to mischief a lot, I used to do anything. At that time, my papa was a very good person for me because at that time my papa gave me courage a lot of and gave me a strength. That's why I like my papa very much. My mama also worked very hard for me when I was young, but I like my papa very much because when I was young at that time my papa used to play with me. My papa used to play with me.
Used to play and used to convince and used to mischief with you.
me. That's why I like my papa very much. And most of everyone everyone people has a different choice, but I like my papa most. And now in a days, if I have any problems, I can go to my papa without hesitation. I can
Tell him that
anything.
nowadays parents become friend to their
Yes.
child.
My
In
papa,
the past, what used to be that a parent did not go with their child and did not
Yes.
share with anything to their child.
yes, my papa behaves with me like a friend. That's why I like my papa very much. I have anything, I have any problem, and I need anything, I go to my papa and I tell to my papa, and my papa bring that thing for me. Now nowadays, my papa has a job. He serves a lift service and other things, electric works, and
Yes.
nowadays my papa, I can't spend my time with my papa because in the morning my papa goes to shop at 8 o'clock and my papa comes at home at 8 o'clock at night. So I can't
So
spend.
12 hours job he does.
Yes. So I can't spend my time nowadays to my papa, but nowadays I can spend my time with my mama at least 4 and 5 hours because nowadays I'm science student, so I have a lot of work and I have to work very hard for my future. And
Yes.
so I have to work very hard, and then I can't spend my time with my papa because at night I have to read and I have to write my homework, so I can't talk with my papa at night. And actually at past I used to spend my a lot of time with my papa, and nowadays I miss that time.
Okay, nice. So I guess in lockdown you spent time with your parents or not?
Yes, in this
Because of coronavirus,
Yes.
there is a lockdown everywhere. So I guess you spent some times with your parents.
Yes, during this corona vacation and during this corona, my papa doesn't go to the shop. That's why he is at house every day. And actually we get up early in the morning, and 8 o'clock we get breakfast together. Then I sit with my papa, and my papa asks me some questions, and then my papa asked me about my 12th science, and my papa cares me about my study, and my papa wants to see me a successful engineer in my life. That's my papa's dream. And at that time my mama works other home workouts, and then 11 o'clock my mom makes for dinner for lunch for us. And at 12 or 1 o'clock we take our lunch. Then 8 1 to 5 o'clock we sit together and we talk about any other things. We play card together.
Like you played some cards and like a typical
Yeah.
game like Ahmedabad and this types of
Yes.
thing. Did you play?
Yes, we played Ahmedabad, Ludo, and other games with my parents, and we enjoy a lot in this corona vacation.
Yes, you are right that because of coronavirus some good things happen in our life, that we could spend time with our parents and our neighbor also, that we could spend a lot of time and we could play some typical and very nice game which we used to play in our past and in our childhood. So these things happen very nice, that I can say, and I like it a lot that we are staying 2 months at home. And nowadays also some things are like nowadays also some people are staying a lot at home, but it's something nice or not. But now tell me that which visit you did last.
Okay, I visited many places like religious places, water park, and any other places. But here I would like to talk about my last visit, and that was a water park visit. We went to water park with my friends from school, and at that time I was in Madhav school, and we that visit was for 1 day. And at morning uh, we went to the visit by bus. We went by bus, and in bus we mischieved a lot, and we danced a lot there. And we we ate any other many other things. And at we
So which water park you went,
okay, I went to Sanku water park,
which is
And-
situated?
which is situated at Mehsana, near
Yes.
Mehsana.
Okay.
That we went together with my friends. That's why I like that visit too much. And we friends both we friends mischieved a lot at that time, and we took our breakfast there. And after taking a breakfast, we went for a taking bath, and we mischieved there with us. And we enjoyed every ride with my friends, because I am afraid of rides. Even though my friends took me with them, and we enjoyed every rides. And at that time I was very scared, even though I enjoyed every rides.
Because whenever you are with your friends you enjoy all the
of
things.
Yes. Even though I am afraid of anything, wherever my friends with me, I like to enjoy everything. And at that time 12 o'clock we took our lunch, and then 12 to 4 we again went to take bath. And at 4 o'clock when we returned, we went to a garden. We sat there, and we took our breakfast there, and then we came again to by bus at home. we reached at school at 8 o'clock at night, and then every parents came to
Take their
us.
child.
Yes, and then we went to our house.
Okay, it was a really nice visit for you, that
Yes.
you can say. Okay, nice. Now tell me that about something about your school life, and after that tell me that who is your best friend in your school. Nowadays you are in school, na?
Yes.
Yes, in 12th standard.
Standard.
Okay, in next year you will be in college.
Yes.
Okay, tell me.
Okay, I am a science student. I am studying in 12th science in Vivekanand school. I like science too much, and nowadays I go to with my friends at school, and I go to with my friends at school by bicycle. We go there, and
Hmm.
we pray the God together, and then we start to learn together every lecture. First lecture is a maths lecture. We enjoy that lecture very much. When we have a PT lecture, we go downstairs.
Yes, we
and-
enjoyed a lot. I also enjoyed a lot my PT
Yes.
lecture, because I always wait for PT lecture in my
Yes.
childhood, in my school time.
We go downstairs and we play volleyball and kabaddi too much. So I like to play volleyball too much than kabaddi, because I used to play when I was young. I used to play volleyball too much. That's why I like to play volleyball too much. But my best friend name is Hers, who studies with me, and he doesn't like to play volleyball. He sits with other friends, and he never comes with me to play volleyball. And in recess we pass our best time in recess. Then after finishing recess, we have other lectures, and we like to spend our time in computer lab, because in computer lab uh, when teacher goes to outside of class, we start to play games in computer, and when teacher comes back, we start to our work in computer. And we have 5 lecture 6 lecture in other days.
Do you have a lab?
Yes, we have a lab. We go to physics lab and chemistry labs, and there is also biology lab. But I have a maths, so
There is
we
no
don't-
chance to
no.
go in biology lab.
yes,
Okay.
whenever when we go to biology labs, we have to sit there, and we can't do there anything without
Yes.
reading. And when we go to the physics lab, sir gives us many projects, and sir teaches us about project. Then we do project. In chemistry labs, we like to spend our time there, because when teacher teaches us about any formula and any other project, then we do any project. We like there, we make any chemical, and there, so we like to pass our time in chemistry lab too much.
Okay, after listening you, I thought that I would also have taken a science in my life, so I could do this types of thing, making chemical and these things. I also like to do this kind of things, but I don't have an interest in it. So now tell me about your second best friend. You have told me about your best friend. What was his name?
His name is Hers.
His name is also hers.
Yes, his name is also Hers.
Okay, where does he live?
He lives in Vrindavan Vatika Society.
Okay, nice. Now tell me that in this topic, I remember one question that describe a person that who is a good leader,
Oh.
person or friend, whatever.
Okay, I know many people who can lead very well, but here I would like to talk about my best friend Hers, who lives in Vrindavan Vatika Society. He is 17 years old, and he has all qualities to needed be a good leader. And now in a days we do our 12th science together in Vivekanand school. We have been friends since school days. I met him at fourth standard, and
In fourth standard,
In fourth.
you mean to say you were friends since childhood?
yes,
Yes.
I met him in fourth standard. Then at that time I didn't know about him, but when time passes, then I knew everything about him. He is a good person. He is a best leader for our group, and he is good person to study, and whenever I used to
Get
need
any problems?
get any problem and need to about study, he
Yes.
used to come and he helped me at that time. And nowadays we do science, and I want to tell about him. He is a good leader. Whenever I had a problem, I had not gone to teacher with my problem, but he had no.
You always go to with your friend.
Yes, and whenever I had a problem, he used to go to teacher with my problem, and he never had any hesitation to speak with her teacher and to principal. And he used to come in top 5 in the class in every standards. And he used to be a good person in class, and
Yes.
he used to work very hard for our classes. He used to lead our class. He used to be a good person for every sir and every teachers. That's why I like him very much.
And he can become a good leader.
Yes, he can. He has all qualities. That's why he can become a good leader for me. And I want to tell about him too. He when I used to mischief, and at that time he scolded me. So I like him very much. I didn't like that at that time, but nowadays I have realized that too, that
Because-
that was
Because
good.
having a friend is a very big deal, and it's very nice for your life and your future.
Yes.
I think that why don't I have this kind of friend in my life, because having
Yes.
this kind of friend is help you a lot.
Yes.
Okay.
That time I had a bad handwriting, so he improved my handwriting. And he also cared me at that time, and nowadays he also cares me like a brother. He knows that I don't have any brother and sister. He behaves with me like a big brother, and I like that very much, because I don't have any brother. That's why I
Yes.
can feel
You feel like a brother with him. Yes.
Yes.
I can understand your feeling. Very nice that if you have a very good friend, you can spend your whole life and much time with them.
Yes.
If you don't have this kind of friend, so you cannot spend your school life or college
Yes.
life like this. Okay, nice. Harsh, now tell me that what is your favorite color?
Okay, I like many colors in my life, but I like blue color in my life too much, because everyone has a different choice. Everyone likes different color, but I like blue color too
Yes,
much.
I also like.
And most of boys like blue
Blue
color,
colors.
and most of girls like
Pink color.
color.
No, I
Yes.
don't like a pink. I like a black and white. Okay, nice. Now tell me that do you like any pet or not?
No, I don't like any pet, because I am afraid of every pet.
Oh, like a dog, cow,
Yes,
everyone.
everyone.
Okay, nice. Now that tell me you have completed your English speaking course. So
Yes.
according to you, which is the easiest chapter of English speaking course? Now there are so many chapters we taught you.
Yes.
That according to you, which is the easiest chapter that you learned like immediately?
Yes, I like many chapters, but I know that I like many chapters, even though I like 12 tenses
Yes.
too much, because when I used to be afraid from tenses,
Yes.
I didn't know about tenses before joining in IC Institute. But when Mahindra sir taught me 12 tenses, I immediately at that time I could understand everything, and
Like a teaching style was like I am, we are, that types of table
that's like
practice.
Table practice,
Yes.
yes. Mahindra sir Mahindra sir told us about this
Lecture, and he
tenses,
told you
yes.
story of tenses.
Yes, Mahindra sir also told about any story
Of
for 12
tenses.
tenses.
And
Like there was one king, and then Mahindra sir told about that story for tenses, and at that time we learnt every 12 tenses of name. Then Mahindra sir starts from simple present tense, and I like simple present tense from other tenses, because simple present tense is
Is the most
spoken.
important for
Yes.
a speaking. If you want to speak, we are talking a lot now.
Yes.
In interview we are talking, but most of which sentence we use like
Yes,
simple present
simple
tense.
present tense.
Yes.
Yes, we use most of sentence of simple present tense, so I like simple present tense too much.
And it was the easiest chapter for you.
Yes, that
Yeah.
was easiest chapter for me. And when Mahendra sir told about tables, we used to speak tables.
Like I go, we go.
you go.
Yes.
Yes, and so we like that. And after after speaking that tables, I learned every tables too much, and that's why I got good result for these 12 tenses, because
Yes.
90% English we can.
Is spoken only and only the
Only-
base of tenses.
Yes.
We can if in the market I have seen that many teachers and many courses have held, and they told us to, if you learn 12 tenses you can speak English. But
Yes.
it's not like that. We have to learn most of helping verbs like a can, could, should, and get, make, have. We have to learn this chapter also if you want to speak fluently. But
Yes.
base is 12 tenses. Okay, nice. So according to you, that simple present tense is the easiest chapter for you,
Yes.
and which is the toughest chapter for you?
Oh, actually, I get my have chapter was very difficult for me and for every students,
Yes.
because we had seen that chapter first time in our life.
Yes.
And Mahendra sir taught that chapter very nicely. Now I can speak English, which I can speak sentences of get, make, have, because before coming in ICS we didn't know about this chapter get, make,
Make,
have.
have. That
What
is-
is the get, make, have, when
Yes.
we can use the get, make, have. But after joining in ICS Institute, Mahendra sir taught about that chapter get, make, have.
Hmm.
Then I knew about that chapter get, make, have, when we can use that get and when we can use make and have. Then I have learned everything get, make, have, and now I can speak every sentence of get, make, have.
Some students told me that, ma'am, this is the very toughest chapter in English speaking course. Okay, nice, but you have learned that and now you can speak nicely. If you
Yes.
learned anything, it was easiest for you. Now
Yes.
English is easier for you.
Yes.
Okay, now tell me that which person do you like? You have told me na that
Yes.
like you like your papa very much. So in who is your role model? Which teacher you like very much in your school, in your college, not college but in your tuitions? Who is
Okay.
your role model, and with whom you like to learn?
Okay, there are many teachers and sirs I like too much, but I want to tell you that I don't know about this ICS Institute, and I don't know about Mahendra sir, and I had never seen like a Mahendra sir. That's why Mahendra sir is my role model of my life, because I know that after my 12th science I have to learn every course in English. So I searched many classes in Ahmedabad, and then I got a number one class in Ahmedabad, and that is IC Institute Spoken English Academy. And when I came here and Mahendra sir gave me inquiry, I liked that inquiry very much. Then I joined my class, and I know that I have passed my time with Mahendra sir,
Yes.
because whenever I came in, I used to come in the IC Institute, and Mahendra sir Mahendra sir used to speak with me like a boy and like a family. Mahendra sir behaves like a family with all students, and I know that Mahendra sir works very hard for all the students. To evening to night, Mahendra sir
Always teach and teach.
teach,
Okay,
yes.
nice.
And Mahendra sir, every batch, most of batch Mahendra sir teaches morning to night, and
Yes.
Mahendra sir never takes rest, and Mahendra sir works for them students, and Mahendra sir wants to get good result from them students. So
Yes.
Mahendra sir wants to see them students
Like English, they can speak English
is
very,
very
nicely.
well. Yes, like
Okay.
him.
Yes.
So I like Mahendra sir too much, because I have never seen like a Mahendra sir in my life, because I used to go to the school every sir every sir teaches only for money and only for money. No one
Only for
teaches.
lecture that I have
Yes.
to go in a lecture only for 45 minutes and they teaches you.
Yes, only for teaching they teaches. But Mahindra sir teaches for best result.
Yes.
Yes, that's why I like Mahindra sir too much, and I want to tell you that Mahindra sir is my first ideal sir of my life,
Yes.
and so I like Mahindra sir too much because Mahindra sir teaches very nicely, and in many lecture Mahindra sir tells us jokes, stories, and he acts very nicely. So I like him very much.
Okay. Okay, nice. Tell me that do you watch TV or not?
Yes, I like to watch TV, and nowadays I watch TV.
Okay, so which serials or movie you like a lot in TV?
Everyone has a different choice, and everyone likes other serials,
Hmm.
different kinds of serials.
Like some
and
person likes a drama serial, some
serials,
like comedy serial.
serials. But I like Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma too much. Most of
Whenever
people
I
like-
ask this question to anyone, every student gives me this answer that I like Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. I also like this serial because this is a family serial, so we can see with our family. Okay, now
because
tell
in
me.
this serial how to we live with our neighbor and how to we behave with our neighbor, we can see in this serial. So I like this serial too much.
Okay, so do you like Bollywood movie or South movie?
I like both Bollywood movie and South movie, but
Because I have seen boys like Hollywood movie and South movie a lot. They don't like Bollywood movie.
Yes.
I have seen because my brother always sees Hollywood's movie,
Yes.
but I don't like Hollywood movie. So which types of movie you like?
And I like most to see South movies.
Yes.
I like to see every South movies. In these South movies, we can see Allu Arjun, then any other good actors. But I like Allu Arjun too much in my life, and I can see every fights in South movies. We can see only fights in South movies.
Yes, there is
That's
only a
why
fight, and how the fight is. If I see,
one person comes
and if
Beat
he
him.
beat him, he goes outside like a cartoon.
Yes.
If in a cartoon, what's happen? It like fighting is like that in a South movie. If
Yes.
I have seen one South movie, that's why I like only Bahubali in South. I don't like any other movie.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Now tell me that which types of actor you like to meet in your future.
Oh, I like to meet many actors in my life, and even though I like to meet my favorite actor Akshay Kumar because I
Yes.
like his nature, because he always gives money to our Indian army and he works for our country, for our people. So
Yes.
I like his nature and I like his everything. So I like to meet with Akshay Kumar.
Yes, I also like because he is very pure actor.
Yes.
Because of nowadays, after that of Sushant Singh Rajput, after coming the point of nepotism, all the person like this types of actor a lot, like Akshay Kumar and
Yes.
Kangna Ranaut.
Yes.
They are in news now. That's why. Okay, nice. You like to meet Akshay Kumar.
Yes.
Okay. Now I want to ask some difficult question like what is your happiest moment in your life in
Okay, there are many happiest moments of my life, but I would like to tell you about my best happiest moment of my life when I was young, and at that time I was in 12th standard. And at that time I like to dance. I used to dance too much, so I joined dance classes. Then I joined dance classes. Then in school parties in school.
in which standard you told?
Second standard.
Okay, second. I heard like a 12th standard.
No, I second
Standard.
At that time, I participate in dance competition, and at that time, I was very small, and I was in 12th standard.
Second standard, yes.
Yes, and at that time, I was second standard. Even though I danced way too much good, and everyone cheered.
And liked
Like,
it a lot because you
because-
were a child.
Yes,
And
even
who
though
don't-
I did good, so everybody cheered me at that time, and at that time I saw my parents very happy. So I like that big happiest moment, because at that time I got my first trophy of my life. So that was my happiest moment of my life.
Okay, a person become happy and a person become sad also.
Yes.
So in everyone's life there is a happiest moment and there is unhappiest moment also.
Yes.
So now tell me unhappiest moment. When did you become too much sad in your life?
Okay, when there are two or three sadness moment of my life, but here I would like to tell you about my best sad moment of my life. Actually, when I was in 10th standard, at that time I used to go cricket coaching class, and at that time I like to play cricket too much, and I wanted to become a cricketer in my life. And I got one best batsman of the trophy in my coaching. And in the 10th standard, because of cricket coaching class, I got many less percentage in 12th standard in
10th
first sem.
standard.
10th standard in first sem, because first to 9th I used to get a first, second and third
Third
rank
rank.
in the class. And in 10th, in first sem I got a 70 percentage. So I became very sad at that time. But it is because of this I had to leave my cricket coaching class. At that time I was very sad,
Because
I wanted
because of your further study you have had to
had to leave
leave
my
that class.
Yes.
Okay, it is nice for you because if you have some good skill, if you want to be a cricketer, it is good for you. But if you want to become an engineer in your life, you have some goals, so it is nice for you. If something happening in our life, it is good.
Yes.
If something good happen, so it is also good, and something bad happen, it is also
Also
good.
good.
Because God has decided something for us.
Yes.
If something is delaying, so it is also good, and something is coming good, so it is also good. So we have to accept this kind of things in our life. Okay, nice. Now I don't want to stretch this interview along, so I want to ask you this question: that how is your experience in Ayush Institute?
Okay, now I'm going to tell you about my experience about Ayush Institute. First, I came here through my English teacher. So then I came here and I got inquiry from Mahendra sir. I liked that inquiry. Then I joined my English speaking class, and I have learned everything from Mahendra sir. But I have learned two or three chapters with other
Teachers,
staffs.
like me and
And
all the mems.
all the memes. But most of I have learned everything from Mahendra sir. And then I learned first I improved my handwriting,
Yes.
because Mahendra sir first improves handwriting of everything. Then Mahendra sir taught me basic chapter of English and basic chapter of English grammar, because that is need for us. And to if we wanna speak English better, so we have to learn
This kind of chapters and all.
and then I know that about I knew everything about Mahendra sir. Mahendra sir tells us jokes, stories many times, and I know that Ayush Institute is one of the best classes of Ahmedabad. And before coming in Ayush Institute, I could not speak English very well, and I could not learn, and I could not listen. I could not speak English very well, English sentences. And after coming in Ayush Institute, after finishing in Ayush Institute, I can speak English very fluently. So I have a good time. I had passed my good time
Time
with
in
Ayush
Ayush
Institute.
Institute. Okay.
Now I want to add about teaching style of our Ayush Institute, because I know that there are many institute in our area, but I like teaching style of our Ayush Institute, because first our staff teaches basic of grammar, basic of English. So then they starts to teach us, then our classes start to teach us about helping verbs and then any other chapters. And Mahendra sir and our staff and Mahendra sir teach hard chapter in the last because they are
First we start with a basic, like a
Basic.
primary level. After then we go ahead with a, like a first standard, second standard, and then
Yes.
we go like with a college level. After
Yes.
that we can speak English. That's why this is
So
the
I-
main best thing of this institute.
So I like this thing in for Mahendra sir. There is a 3 books. There
Yes.
are 3 books in our IC Institute. In first book we can see every basic and every basic of grammar. So we can learn every basic of first to 10th standards basic grammar in first book. Then in second book we can see 12 tenses, and I like that tenses too much. And after that 12 tenses, Mahendra sir taught that teaches that 12 tenses too much good. And then Mahendra sir teaches other helping verbs like could, can, may, might, any other. And in third book we can see many chapters like
Hard
make,
chapters
hard
and
make,
extraordinary
only
chapters like a head 2 or 2.
head better.
Yes.
Yes, get make have. And I know get make have is very hard chapter, but even though that is hard chapter, I can speak English very well. And I know that Mahendra sir teaches and whole staff teach good for us, and all members work very hard for them students, and they give
They're
100%.
Yes, I
to
all the
all
students
students.
as well. Okay, nice. Now you have spoken very nicely. Now tell our viewers and give them advice that how can they learn English with us, and which types of advice you want to give them.
Okay, I'm a science student, so I know that in my future study I have to learn every course in English. So I search many institute, then I joined here my English speaking class. And I want to tell you what is the important of English, because English is our international language, and whenever you finish your 12th standard you have to learn every course in English. And after finishing 12th you have to learn every course in English. Whenever you go you have to learn English. So I want to tell you that you should come here and you should get inquiry from Mahendra sir, and you whatever you wanna speak English, what you wanna speak English better. So according to me you should come in IUC Institute, because I have great experience from this institute. And I have completed my English speaking course here, so I know everything about IUC Institute. So I can speak about IUC Institute youth. And whatever I know about IUC Institute, I told you everything about this. And if you want to save money in your future, you can also learn English for this, because if you come here and you do English speaking course here, so you should not take a tuition of every standard like a 8 standard, 9 standard and 10 standard. You can
Save your money. Yes.
you can save your money. So I want to tell you that you can save your money, and if you can speak English very well you can earn more money in your future. According to me, if you wanna speak English very well you should come here. And I wanna tell you that because of this staff and Mahendra sir I have achieved my short term goal. And because of this institute and Mahendra sir, I hardly thankful to Mahendra sir and whole staff for giving me best result of my life. Because before coming in IC Institute I can't speak English, and now you can see me, I can speak English very well and I can speak English very fluently. So according to me you should go every classes, you should get an inquiry, then you should also come here and you should take inquiry from Mahendra sir, then you should choose your classes to learn English speaking course.
Okay, Harsh, nice. You have spoken very nice, and you have given advice to our viewers. Very nice that you can save your money for your future tuitions and your future also. You can save your money, and the choice is yours. Whatever you want to do and which course you want to take in your life, you can take. So thank you so much, Harsh, for coming here, and thank you so much for giving your valuable time to us. Thank you so much guys for watching our video and watching our interview. So I will come back with a new interview. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay with us, stay safe.
For more videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.